Hey everybody, welcome back. Check it out. It's the Horizon Hobby E-flite UMX Whipit DLG. Yes, I'm a couple years late on this deal. My buddy GB Linden has one. We played with it a couple years ago. I'm sure you guys have seen the videos if you're watching this. Horizon Hobby recently had a deal on their micros where you get what did I get, 10 or 20 bucks off it or something like that. It was like 62 bucks shipped to my door. That was kind of a no-brainer. I've had DLGs before, and if you're a regular subscriber to my channel, you've seen my LaBelle DLG. It was a lot of fun. I kind of wanted one of these for traveling. I could take it with me. It takes simple, cheap batteries, little 1S 150s. You can't go wrong with that. It's just a lot of fun. You're not going to get, 2 or 5 minute flight times out of this typically, unless you get a lucky thermal, but you will have fun. That's for sure. There's not too much else really on the packaging. I don't know what else to show you here, so I'm just going to open her up. It just came today. Here's what you get. It's pretty simple. I'm going to take it out of the box and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, here's everything that's in the box. Literally, this is all you get. You get a couple decals. You got the fuse and the wing and a manual and some screws to put the wing on and some little pieces of tape. That is everything you get. Here is your wing. You can see dihedral is built in. It does have some carbon spars in it. Little plastic coupler thing there in the center. Here is this. I'll try to keep it away from my little puppy. Here is all you get on the back. I mean, it looks like a legit DLG for sure. Other than it's just an ultra micro, clearly. There you have your tiny little, that is zoomed in. There you have your tiny little servos. Your battery's going to go here in the bottom, little piece of Velcro, and then the plastic cover is going to kind of hold all that in. I'm going to get it screwed together, and then we'll bind it up, and I'll show you how she works from there. Okay guys, I finally got the screws in. Not really the easiest process. Goes into those little plastic deals there, but the screws would not want to go in. You can see from pushing on it hard, I've already dented up the bottom of the fuselage. I don't know of an easier way to do it. You can see I pulled out my drill to try to free the holes up a little bit. I don't know if there's an easy way or not, but it's together. So I guess the next step would be binding it up. These decals, you do have your option. You can do 2 black stripes, or you can do the angled stripes. I think I'm going to use all the stripes just to be different, because that's how I roll. In the package here, there is a little piece of Velcro to put on your battery, so you've got enough Velcro for 1 battery. These other pieces of tape, I need to read the manual and see what they're for. Here you can see the 2 different styles of decals. I got to keep it in the light here so you guys can see it, but there's your decal options. Here's where the elevator and rudder should go. Throws and rates, your CG. That's really about it, not too much to it. Limited warranty, then we'd run off to another language. I don't see here where it talks about these other pieces of whatever is in there. So I don't know what they're for. Maybe for fixing it? Not sure. It says here a tip. If you're using the 150 milliamp 1S, recharge it after 45 minutes of flight. That's a pretty long flight. I know it's a lot of fun. So let's get her bound up and then we'll be back. Okay, here we go. We'll do a quick little bind with the 1S 150. Plug it in and wait for the red lights to flash. As they do, hold the bind button on your transmitter, hold her down and wait. Once it goes solid, you'll be good. There it is. As you can see, it automatically goes to the aileron channel. I have mixed in rudder channel as well because sometimes I fly with both hands. So there it is. We will wait for weather and we'll get it outside and we'll do some DLG action. We'll whip it real good. Like, comment, subscribe.
Rolling.